Okay, guys. So today we will start on the integration bab pengamilan. Is my voice clear, guys? Adakah suara jelas? Can you hear? Okay, kalau boleh dengar baguslah. Kinda different. What is different? Maybe I sit nearer. Okay. All right. So today, what is the meaning? Oh, still can hear lah. Okay, kalau boleh dengar, it's okay. Okay, guys. So today, basically what we are going to do is we're going to recap a bit of the previous part, plus we will learn the new part. Kita belajar bahagian baru, yaitu isi padu, volume. Okay, guys? So, I'm going to pick textbook question. Saya akan bincangkan soalan buku teks. So, first question, soalan pertama. Do you all have any question yang susah bagi kamu untuk soalan pertama ni? Any problem that you all have? Ada masalah macam soalan tak susah sangat nak solve, kamu boleh bagi tahu. Question 1. Anything that you find hard? If you got any question you don't know how to do, you can comment. Saya akan bagi tahu cara selesaikan. Okay, C ya. Okay, so we discuss soalan C. Okay guys, soalan C. Kita kena buat pengamilan. Okay, first question. Apa jenis pengamilan ni? What is the type of this integration? Cuba komen. Kita ada dua jenis, two types. So, soalan sini, yes, definite integral. Okay, kamiran tentu. Okay guys, so kita kena buat kamiran tentu, definite integral. Okay, so first part, kita kena kamirkan. Okay, second step, kita gantikan limit. We substitute the had. Okay, so guys, cuba bagi tahu saya, selepas kamu kamirkan yang ni, after you integrate this, kamu dapat apa? Jawapan kamu. Sebelum kamu gantikan had, before you sub the limit, what do you all get? Anyone? Cuba buat dengan pantas pengamilan kamu. Try to do quick. What will be your answer? Anyone? Apa jawapan kamu setelah kamirkan yang ni? Guys, adakah saya lag? Am I lagging ah? Cuba komen. Selepas kamu kamirkan yang ni, after you integrate this, kamu dapat apa? Hello guys. Apa jawapan kamu setelah kamirkan yang ni? Respon sikit. Bukan. Saya nak jawapan selepas kamiran. I want the answer after you integrate. Bukan jawapan akhir. Saya nak jawapan selepas kamu kamirkan. Sebelum kamu gantikan had. Before you substitute the limit, guys. What is the answer? Apa jawapan kamu? Can you all tell me for this one? Saya nak kamu kamirkan yang ni. Apa kamu dapat setelah kamu kamirkan yang ni? Basic tau guys. This one is basic. So anyone, after you integrate this pertama ni, apa kamu dapat? Finally. Guys, how come you all lag so long? Okay, I scared that kamu semua lupa di your basic integration. Okay, so make sure you all know basic integration. Kuasa tambah 1, kuasa bahagi 1. Okay, you add the power 1, divide by the power plus 1. Alright? Okay, so now, second step, what must we do guys? After integrate, setelah pengamilan kita buat apa? What is the second step? Very good. Sub in the limit. Okay, gantikan had. So over here, your had is 5 and 1. Okay, so guys, kita gantikan had mana dulu? Had atas atau had bawah? Which limit we sub first? The upper limit or lower limit? Yes. Always start the upper limit first. Okay, kita gantikan yang lebih besar dulu. Then minus lower limit. Tolak part bawah. Alright. So can So basically press calculator only. Tekan calculator, kamu boleh dapat jawapan. Okay, so for the answer for part C is this one. Okay, so kamu akan dapat jawapan 356 bahagi 3. Understand guys? Boleh faham? So, kamu kena tunjuk semua langkah ni dalam exam. You must show everything because everything got mark. Setiap jalan kerja kat sini ada markah. So, cannot leave out one also. Everything you must show. Alright? So, yeah. This is for question 1C. Okay guys, one extra question. Daripada nilai ni yang saya dapat, nilai ni menunjukkan apa? The value I get here represent what? Can anyone tell me? Dia mewakili sesuatu kuantiti, nilai ni.
So,
Yes?
area.
Yes, very good. Remember guys, Kameran, our answer always represent area, menggambarkan luas. Alright? So, make sure you get that point. Okay, the answer is area. Okay, so now, for question number 1. Any other question that you struggle? Integration, soalan 1, that you feel like difficult to do besides part C, selain bahagian C? Any other soalan kamu rasa susah? Just comment only. Don't be afraid. Jangan risau. Kalau ada masalah, kamu kena bagi tahu. Everything okay? Okay, so if question 1, semua okay ya? Saya akan pergi ke soalan 2 sekarang. If everyone okay. Okay, question 2. Which question that you want me discuss? Okay, soalan C. Okay guys, soalan C a bit complex, sedikit kompleks, tapi tak sangat susah. Still easy, can do. Okay guys, so my first question, can we direct integrate this? Yes or no? Boleh tak kita kami ni secara terus?
Cannot, sir.
Okay, very good. Why? Why cannot I integrate directly? Give me one reason. Satu sebab tak boleh kami secara terus. Anyone? Yes. Okay, the answer is it's not expanded yet. Correct. Okay, so guys, cuba kamu lihat kat sini. Adakah ini sudah dikembangkan? This one is not expanded yet. Tidak lagi dikembangkan. So kamu tak boleh kamikan secara terus. You cannot direct integrate. Okay? So siapa boleh bagi tahu apa jawapan yang paling ringkas setelah kamu selesaikan yang ni? Can you all comment? The most simplified version sebelum kamu integrate. Try your algebra solving skill sebelum dikamikan. So kamu bagi jawapan setelah kamu ringkaskan yang ni. After you simplify this expression. Okay, let's see. No. Very close, not complete yet. Guys.
So, x minus 6 to 4.
Yes, correct. Okay, guys. The answer is you must make sure this x power 4, right? You must divide to every single term. Kamu kena bahagikan dia kepada semua ungkapan, bukan satu saja. You cannot divide it with only one. Yeah. That's why I see your answer like partially correct, but not complete. Because you need to divide it to every single term. Kamu kena bahagikan kepada semua ungkapan. Baru kamu kamikan. Then only you integrate it. Understand, guys? So, expansion, I think should be okay, right? You all take NMATs, so expansion should be no problem lah. Quadratic expansion. So you should get macam ni. Okay? So this is the answer you get. So guys, don't forget, divide x power 4. Kamu kena bahagikan x kuasa 4. Okay, so you will get 2x kuasa negative 2 minus x kuasa negative 3 minus 6x kuasa negative 4. Understand, guys? Can you all get it? So this is the equation that you all need to integrate. Kamu kena kamikan persamaan yang ni. Faham? Can you all respond a bit? Kalau boleh faham? Can,
Can
Okay, very good. So this equation, if you want to integrate, should be no problem lah. Basic integration, pengamilan yang asas. Alright, so you will get this one. Okay, this will be your answer. Alright, so your final answer is negative 108 over 125. Okay, so guys, can I ask you all one question? Kalau dapat simbol negatif dalam soalan ni, if I get a negative sign in this answer, is it correct? Adakah jawapan saya betul untuk yang ni?
correct, sir.
Yes, very good. But now, I change the question. Saya ubah soalan. Kalau soalan ni tanya luas, if they ask you area, is my answer correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Very good. No, area cannot be negative, you know. Okay, must be positive. Okay, you must modulus. If the question asks area, right, guys, when you get this answer, you add the modulus. Tambah simbol modulus, ambil magnitude sahaja. Just take the nilai. So your answer is 108 over 125. Boleh faham? Can you get it? So this is the difference. If the question never asks application, soalan tak tanya aplikasi, like this, you can have negative. Kamu boleh ada simbol negatif. But if soalan tanya aplikasi, application question, like find the area, cari luas, kamu kena bagi jawapan positif sahaja. Only
Sir,
positive answer. Yes?
but the area be negative, right?
Yeah. Yeah,
Correct.
for this answer is correct. Negative is correct. Okay, because this question only asks you value. They ask the value of this integration, nilai pengamilan. So it can be negative. But if we talk in terms of area, luas, it has to be positive. Understand? Because this question never asks you on area. They ask you value. Value can always be positive, negative. Okay? Can you all get it? So make sure you all know how to differentiate these two. Cuba bezakan. Bila kena positif, bila kena negatif. Okay? So go back to question 2. So any other question you find difficult? Soalan 2?
No, sir.
No more, The rest? Yang lain? Any other bahagian yang kamu rasa susah? Soalan 2? E. Okay? Actually, E is not difficult. Tak susah. Okay, guys. For question E, what is the first step I must do? Can I direct integrate, guys? Boleh tak saya kamilkan ni secara terus? Okay, cannot. Yes. Okay, you must apply your indices law. Guna hukum index. So what is the hukum index, guys? You can bring this up. Kamu boleh bawa ni naik atas. Yes. So you will get 5 minus 3x kuasa negatif 3. Then only you integrate. Baru kamu kamilkan yang ni. Can integrate, right, guys? This equation. Now your equation is something like this already. Okay, ini adalah persamaan kamu. So, kuasa tambah 1 bahagi dengan kuasa baru. Okay, itu sahaja. So, perlu tak saya tambah C kat sini, guys? Do I need to add plus C for this question? Okay, very good. Always check, guys. Kalau kamilan dia tak tentu, kena tambah C. Kalau kamilan tentu, tak perlu tambah C. Okay, definite integral, you must plus C. Definite integral, no need to plus C. Indefinite integral, you must plus C. Okay, that is the concept. So always check the integration sign. Tengok simbol pengamilan. Sama ada perlu tambah C ke tak. Okay, so any problem to integrate this equation? I think should be no problem, right? Tak ada masalah kan? Okay, very good. So guys, For question E, you will get the answer, this answer. Sorry. Okay, this one. So guys, if you see your answer is like this, right? Kalau kamu nampak jawapan macam ni, don't be scared. Okay, jawapan masih betul. Your answer is correct. So jangan takut. Okay, walaupun jawapan dia pelik sangat, it look very weird, but still is correct. Okay, because they're asking you to find the value, cari nilai. So it can be any value. It depends on the equation, bergantung pada persamaan. Okay, so any question so far? Everyone here? No, how about 6? Wait, let me see. You mean B6? Are you referring this one? Kamu tengok 6 ni ke? This one. Then which one? Kamu tengok 6 mana? Saya pun tak nak. Oh, 6 ni ke? Okay, okay. Okay guys. Important concept. Okay, many of you will forget this one. Okay guys, this part I explain. So guys, when you integrate, right, bila kamikan, you will divide the new power. Am I right? So the new power here is -2. Correct? So now guys, don't forget this step. Jangan lupa langkah ni. Remember to differentiate the bracket. Kamu kena bezakan kurungan kamu. So guys, 5 minus 3x. Bila bezakan yang ni, what do you get guys? Kamu dapat apa? Cuba bezakan yang ni. Differentiate. Yes. So, kamu akan darab -2 darab -3. So, dapat 6 lah. Faham? So, selalu ingat, kena bahagi dengan pembezaan kurungan. Okay, differentiate the bracket. Kalau boleh dibezakan lah, kadang-kadang tak boleh. Tapi dalam case ni boleh. It depends whether you can differentiate the bracket. If cannot, it's okay. If can, you must differentiate. Okay, so don't forget this step because a lot of people forget. Banyak orang suka lupa yang ni. Okay, so any other question? Soalan nombor 2 yang kamu rasa susah? Question number 2. Can comment if you feel anything hard. No more. Okay, question number 3. Soalan mana kamu rasa susah? C. Okay, so we discuss part C. Okay guys, so part C. What is the first step we must do for this question? Apa langkah pertama kita? Yang ni kamu kena guna hukum pengamilan. You have to use the law of integration. So, what's your first step? Anyone can tell your first step for question C? Langkah pertama guys, cuba komen. Adakah kita kami yang ni secara terus macam ni? 3fx tolak 2 kuasa 2 bahagi 2. Okay, very good. You must multiply. Okay, kembangkan kat dalam dulu. Correct. Okay, so guys, when you see bracket, right, you must multiply inside. Kamu kembangkan dulu. Then only you integrate. Understand? So, okay. Mereka bagi satu info kat sini. So you can use this information to answer the question. Okay, so kalau kamu kembangkan, what will you get guys? Kamu akan dapat macam ni. Fx dx tolak 2 dx. Understand? Do you all get it? How I get this equation? Boleh dapat kan? Pengembangan biasa sahaja. Basic expansion. Macam kamu kembangkan algebra. Okay, saya bagi satu soalan kat kamu. Boleh bagi tahu jawapan saya? Apa jawapan untuk soalan ni? What's the answer? Kalau kamu faham yang ni, kamu pasti faham yang ni. So, boleh bagi tahu? Yes. Okay, X kuasa 2 tambah XY. So, kita guna konsep sama kat sini. We use the exact same concept. Expand it like algebra. Kembangkan macam algebra. So, kamu dapat macam ni lah, tolak yang ni. Faham? Sebab yang ni adalah faktor serupa, common factor. You can understand it like common factor, faktor serupa. That's why it is outside the bracket, kat luar kurungan. Understand? So, yeah, that's the concept. Okay? So, you can direct substitute your value. Gantikan nilai kamu secara terus. Okay, so the answer will be, this one already, wait, I come back to you. Okay, so this is the answer for question 3C. Okay, untuk yang nak. Okay, so for this part, right, untuk bahagian ni, kamu kena kamekan. You have to integrate as usual. So, kalau kamu kamekan 2, kamu dapat 2x. Okay, you integrate 2, you get 2x. Then substitute your limit, gantikan had, then press calculator. Okay, so your final answer is 3. Mereka suruh cari nilai, find the value. So, kamu kena bagi jawapan dalam nilai, value. Okay, so understand? For those asked 3C, boleh dapat cara selesaikan soalan 3C ni. Should be okay, right? Okay, for uni, delta y, delta x, chapter 2. Chapter 2 actually saya sudah ajar. Okay, I already teach that chapter. So if you want to know more on delta x, delta y, you check my YouTube. Okay, lihat YouTube saya. Kamu boleh dapat video. Okay, tentang bab 2. Okay, delta x, delta y thing ada banyak lah. Prinsip pertama, first principle, rate of change. Okay, kadar perubahan, approximation. Okay, so boleh lihatlah untuk yang tu. Okay guys, so for question number 4, any question you want me to discuss? Soalan 4, anything you find difficult? Ada soalan, boleh tanya, you can ask. B, okay, question number B. Okay guys, remember to recall all your integration law. Kamu kena tahu semua hukum pengamilan. Okay, so for this one, okay, if you check and see, right, for the first part, untuk bahagian pertama, had dia adalah 5, 3, 5 and 3. Tapi, kalau kamu lihat soalan, there is no had. Okay, 5, 3. Oh, you teach all the law, yes, I teach already. Last week lesson. Watch back last week lesson video. Last week lesson cover everything already. All the laws. You got 6 law, I think, in total, or 7. I also forget already. Okay. YouTube, okay. Kamu Google yang ni. Okay. Dah dapat?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so we come back to this one. Okay. So for this one, right? Kalau kamu lihat soalan ni, tak ada had yang diberi. There is no such limit. So basically, what you must do is, you must create your own limit over here. Okay. So this one a bit but still can do. Okay. Guys, try to see the question carefully, ya. Lihat soalan betul-betul. Apa nombor yang serupa kat sini? What is the common number here? Can you all tell me? Among 3, 5 and 7. Yes, 5. So guys, when you see a common number, right, you must try to eliminate it. Kamu kena hapuskan nombor yang sama supaya kamu boleh direct combine 7 to 3. That is our aim over here. Okay, but over here, kx kita takkan guna because question B, the function is fx. So fx, we no need kx. So we refer this one only. Kita tengok yang sebelah kiri. Alright. So what can you do here, guys? Kamu boleh
So change
tongkatkan. Yes. You
the
change the limit.
negative. Positive.
Okay, so basically you just substitute, change the limit. Okay, so guys, bila kamu tukar had, when you change the limit, what symbol must you add? Can you all tell me? Simbol apa kena tambah
Negative.
semasa tukar? Yes. Okay, you must add the negative sign. So you will get something like this. Understand? So basically, your answer is going to be, wait, 53 plus 75. Okay, so 53 plus 75, what can I write as, guys? Kalau limit saya macam ni, plus 75. So you will get final answer, integrate 3 to 7. Yes, kamu kami secara terus dari 3 ke 7. So the answer will be 5. Understand? Because question already give you integrate 7 to 3, you will get the answer 5. Faham guys? Can you get it? For question B, any problem so far? Ada apa-apa masalah nak tanya? Nana? Okay, so settle lah these 4 questions. Okay, so we go to the next part. Area. Okay, luas. Okay guys, so question 1, any question you want me to discuss? Soalan 1 yang kamu rasa susah. Question 1. All lah. Cannot lah, all waste time. Try to think the hardest question. Recap, you watch back my YouTube channel because I already teach this last week. Saya sudah ajar. Okay, B. Okay guys, so for question B, B and C. Okay, so guys, first thing you must understand which region is positive and which region is negative. Okay, this is the most important thing. Okay, so for question B, can I ask you all, kamu semua kami terhadap paksi X atau paksi Y? Which one now you're integrating? Towards X or towards Y? Okay, X kita tak guna Y. Tengok, kawasan berlorek kamu kat paksi X. Dia sentuh paksi X. Okay, so kita kami terhadap paksi X. Lebih senang lah. Okay, it's much easier. Okay. Formula, ingat formula, dia macam ni. Okay, so guys, take note, setengah kawasan akan ada luas negatif. Okay, some area will be negative, some area will be positive. Okay, common right? Kamu dah belajar. Setengah luas negatif, setengah luas positif. So macam mana kita nak tentukan luas tu positif atau negatif? Tanpa pengiraan, without calculation, how do we know an area is positive or negative? Okay, kamu lihat graf. Okay, start. Okay, so guys, kamu lihat kawasan ni dulu. Nombor 1. Okay, I tell you one method. Very simple. Okay guys, kamu sekarang kami terhadap paksi X. Am I right? Dx. So kamu akan gantikan had di atas paksi X dalam persamaan lengkung kamu. Betul? Itu adalah proses kan? We will substitute the X limit inside our curve equation. That's the general process. So guys, check and see. Untuk kawasan kat sebelah kiri, adakah had kamu positif atau negatif? Are your limits positive or negative for left side x-axis? Cuba jawab. Yes. Okay, you will get negative limit. Okay, sebab kamu nampak negatif 3. Okay, it's negative limit. So guys, cuba kamu lihat di atas graf. Saya sambungkan bagi kamu. So guys, look at this. Adakah nilai yang saya bulatkan tu positif atau negatif? Is the answer I circle there positive value or negative value? Which one? Common sense. It should be. How can be both? Guys, kamu lihat paksi kamu. Nilai yang kat sini. Dia selalu akan positif kan? Am I right? Yes. So maksud kamu, maksudnya luas kat sini selalu positif. Boleh faham? Itu adalah konsep dia. The area will 100% be positive because konsep yang ni. Okay, textbook tak ajar yang ni tau. So saya yang dapat konsep ni. I create this concept one and it work 100% correct. Okay, so ini cara kamu boleh lihat. So jangan hafal, no need to memorize. Guna konsep ni, you will get the correct answer. Okay, so mengapa penting untuk tahu positif atau negatif? Can anyone tell me guys? Why must we know certain region positive or certain region negative? Mengapa ni penting? Siapa tahu? Why is it so important? Sebab kita boleh kami secara terus kan? Lebih senang. So why? Anyone? Yes, that is the correct answer. Okay, when we plus, we must add modulus if it's negative. So guys, kamu cuba bayangkan, kalau tak ada pengiraan kan, if we don't calculate, boleh tak kita tahu mana kawasan positif atau negatif? Tak boleh kan? Kita kena ada satu kaedah untuk membandingkan so that we know which one is positive, which one is negative. So ini adalah konsep dia. Okay, yang kamu boleh guna. Okay, so kamu cuba untuk yang ni pula guys. Kamu akan dapat luas apa? Will you get a positive area or negative area? Try and see for the right hand side. Yes. Okay, positive. Okay, so why positive? Limits. Kamu check limits. So guys, your limits over here. Is it positive? Yes. Okay, had kamu kat sini adalah positif. Had di paksi X. So kamu lihat. Di atas paksi X, kamu sentuh lengkung. Okay, then you check and see. Nilai Y kat sini guys. Adakah dia positif? Yes. Okay, your Y value is positive. So maksudnya, luas kamu adalah positif. Faham guys? Can you all get it? This is the concept, very important, sangat penting. Okay? So guys, now I ask you, kedua-dua luas ni adalah positif. Both of this area is positive. So adakah penting untuk guna modulus? Should I use modulus? Yes or no? Think and see. Cuba fikir. Perlu tak saya guna simbol modulus dalam jalan kira saya? Kalau kedua-dua kawasan ni positif.
No need, sir.
Very good. Okay, so what does it mean? Not only in terms of the modulus, you can actually direct integrate. Kamu boleh kamikan secara terus. Sebab tak ada kawasan negatif. You don't have any negative area. So kamu boleh terus kamikan. Y dx. Faham guys? Can you understand? But if you have negative area, kalau ada kawasan negatif, kamu kena pisahkan kameran dia macam ni. You have to separate the integration. So there is two separate method, dua kaedah yang berbeza. Tapi untuk soalan ni, kita guna yang ni. Sebab luas positif. Area totally positif. Yang ni positif, yang ni pun positif. So yang ni tak perlu. No need. Okay? Kamu boleh guna yang ni jugalah. Tapi jawapan sama. Okay, same answer. Tak ada perbezaan. Okay guys? Can you understand? Boleh dapat? So make sure you know how to determine which one positive and which one negative. Kamu kena tahu yang tu. Macam mana kamu tengok. Okay? Anyone got problem? Understand which region is positive, which region is negative? Ada siapa-siapa kat sini ada masalah macam tu? Tak tahu kawasan mana positif, tak tahu kawasan mana negatif. Anyone? Jangan malu untuk share tahu. If you got certain problem, kamu kena share kat saya. Kalau kamu tak tahu macam mana nak buat. Okay? Okay, so for question 1B, kamu akan dapat jawapan macam ni. Okay guys, cuba lihat yang ni. Look at this. So guys, do you see any negative value? Adakah kamu nampak apa-apa simbol yang menunjukkan modulus? No, right? Okay, good question. Kamu lihat yang ni. Okay, this one last week actually. Saya ajar. Okay guys, these two page, right? Very important. Dia menunjukkan semua konsep. Yang mana luas positif, yang mana luas negatif. Senang. These two page. Setiap graf. Macam mana graf tu? Ini cara kamu tentukan sama ada positif atau negatif. Saya dah ajar sebenarnya yang ni. Tapi dalam YouTube saya lah. Okay, kamu boleh lihat kalau nak mengukurkan lagi. If you want to reinforce how to know which one positive, which one negative, go to my YouTube. Okay, saya dah terangkan yang ni. Semua contoh yang ni. Okay, so you can check and see. Yeah, this part very important because if you don't understand this part, kalau tak faham yang ni, kamu takkan faham yang ni. This one. The one we discussing now. Okay, so last week lesson important. Okay, guys. So for question C, maybe we can try one more. So can you all tell me, sekarang kita kami terhadap paksi X atau paksi Y? We integrate towards X-axis or Y-axis? Okay, very good. Because very good. Because you see your shaded region, it touch the Y. Dia sentuh paksi Y. Okay, so kami terhadap paksi Y. Okay, so now kita kena tahu mana positif, mana negatif. Okay guys, can you all try and see luas yang ni positif atau negatif? Is this area a positive area or negative area? Okay, very good. Okay, so anyone don't know why negative? Siapa tak tahu kenapa yang ni luas dia negatif? Cuba komen atau angkat tangan if you don't know why this area is negative. Anyone? Atau semua tahu? Kalau semua tahu yang ni negatif, okay, ada yang tak tahu. Okay guys, so why negatif? Ingat, sekarang kita kami terhadap paksi Y. We integrate towards Y-axis. So guys, bila kita kami terhadap paksi Y, kita guna had di atas paksi X atau paksi Y? Cuba jawab. Do we use the Y limit or X limit if we integrate towards Y-axis? Which limit we use? Yes, common sense lah, is Y. Okay, because symbol dia is dy. So we use Y. Okay, so kamu lihat graph lah. Okay, Y. Okay, tengok guys. This value over here. Adakah nilai ni negatif or positif? Confirm negatif lah. So that's why luas ni adalah negatif. Faham? Senang kan kaedah saya? Okay, this one my own method, you know. Saya tak dapat dari mana-mana. Ini kaedah saya sendiri. Okay? Maybe got some teacher use it lah. Tapi saya tak ambil lah dari situ. Okay, this one I memang fikir secara sendiri. Okay, macam mana nak ingat? Lebih senang. Okay guys. Yes?
Positive and left side is negative.
Not so clear. Can you like type your question? Easier for me. Your voice like not so clear. Okay. So for this region guys, kawasan yang kat bawah, positive or negative? Can you all try and see? What will you get untuk kawasan ni? Adakah luas dia positif atau luas negatif?
Negative, sir.
Yes, very good. Okay, this one is negative area. Do you all understand? Both also negative lah. See carefully guys.
Guys,
Why
focus.
negative? And then this one is negative. Understand? Can you see? It's negative value. Okay, this one also same. Negative value. Okay, we look at the Y limit, then check what is your X answer. So that's why both answer is negative. So dua-dua jawapan negative. Understand?
So,
Yes?
so let's say the graph is on the x-axis. So the above x-axis is positive and below x-axis is negative. Sir.
Don't use that method. You use the method I told you just now. Okay, you check and see. If you integrate towards y-axis, you check and see down here is negative. It depends where your shaded region is. So it can change actually. Don't think that above axis always positive and then below x-axis always negative. Jangan fikir macam tu. Because it depends where you integrate. Kat mana kamu kami. Do you integrate towards y or do you integrate towards x? Dia ada dua condition. So you must check and see. That's why the method I say is like easier. Kamu tak perlu hafal. You just understand the concept only. Okay? Boleh dapat?
Cancer.
Population. Okay. Okay, guys. So over here, both of the region is negative. Kedua-dua kawasan adalah negatif. So do we need modulus? Adakah kita perlu letak simbol modulus? Yes. Okay, must put modulus. Remember, for both also, you must put the modulus sign. Alright. So for question C, you can see it over here. Okay, this one. Okay, so for in this case, right, if you check and see, right, can you see this, guys? Your answer come out negative. So it makes sense, lah, because just now both of the region is negative. Am I right? No. Careful, guys. It depends. Because you are taking negative value minus negative value. Am I right? This is negative. This is also negative. Kedua-dua negatif. So kita kena lihat mana nilai negatif lebih besar antara kedua-dua negatif. So kita tak tahu yang tu. We don't know. So kamu kira macam biasalah. Okay? Tapi kat akhir letak modulus. Because jawapan negatif. Understand? So yeah. Macam tu lah. Okay? Tapi kalau kamu nak ubah modulus pun boleh. Okay, you can put modulus at the early part also can. Okay, you will get back the same answer. Kamu akan dapat jawapan dia. Okay guys, can you all understand? Ini adalah konsep dia. Okay, okay. So for question number 2, any question guys yang kamu nak saya bincang? Soalan 2. Soalan 2 lebih susah sikit. Harder a bit. BC. Okay, kita bincang BC. Okay, so for soalan B. Okay guys, question is find the shaded region. Cari kawasan berlorek. So guys, tell me the idea untuk soalan B. Macam mana saya nak cari kawasan berlorek?
So do simultaneous equation. So find the coordinate.
Yes, correct. Kita kena cari titik persilangan dulu. Okay, make sure guys, you must find out these 2 points first. Yes, this one. Okay, so you must solve the equation. Yes, y equal to y. Kamu samakan kedua-dua persamaan ni. You equalize both. Solve for x. Gantikan balik untuk cari y. Okay, like your normal simultaneous lah guys. So make sure Form 4 chapter 3 kamu kuat ah. Everyone here, your Form 4 chapter 3 must be good ah. Because even in Form 5 chapter 3 pengamilan, kamu perlukan knowledge Form 4 chapter 3. So make sure you know your simultaneous. Your simultaneous must be power. Okay, then only kamu boleh selesaikan. Okay, kamu bayangkan lah guys. Let's say kamu tak tahu persamaan serentak, tapi kamu tahu pengamilan. You don't know simultaneous, but you know integration. Is it useful guys? Adakah kamu boleh selesaikan persamaan?
No, sir.
Yeah. Okay, so the basic is always simultaneous. Persamaan serentak yang ada 3 pemboleh ubah. Itu Form 4 chapter 3. Okay. So, yeah. Okay, so simultaneous, saya takkan explain lah. Kamu boleh buat. Okay, so simultaneous, if you solve, kamu akan dapat semua nilai ni. Okay, all this value. 2B. This one. Okay, so this is your answer. X is 0, X is 2. Okay, so kamu boleh gantikan. You substitute all your answer inside the question. Okay, over here. Wait, guys. Okay, this one. So means that nilai ni adalah 2. This is number 2. Okay, because our answer is 0 and 2, yaitu titik persilangan kita, our intersection point. Okay, so basically, how to find the area now guys? Macam mana cari luas? Apa konsep dia? What should I
So
do?
find the area of the triangle and minus with the area of integration the curve one.
Okay, kita kena ambil luas segitiga, tolak luas bawah lengkung. Okay, you take the red part minus the black part. then you will get the answer. Boleh lihat guys? So kita ambil luas bawah garis, tolak luas bawah lengkung. Okay? So pengambilan macam biasalah, your normal step. Okay, so kamu akan dapat macam ni. Okay, this one is your integration. Okay guys, do you all understand? Boleh dapat?
Can, sir.
Okay. The rest also can The rest who silent over here, yang tak check banyak, boleh Okay, good. Okay. So guys, one more thing here, right? Kalau kamu lihat penyelesaian dia kan, if you see the process, actually kamu boleh combine dua-dua persamaan ni. Do you all know that guys? Kamu boleh direct tolak antara satu sama lain. Lepas tu kamu kamikan. It's much easier. Okay? Because they have the same limit. Mereka ada had sama. So kamu boleh tolak antara satu sama lain. Persamaan dia. Lepas tu kamu kamikan. You minus both, then you integrate. You will still get the answer 4/3. Understand? Because both of the area is positive over here. If you refer the diagram, right? This one, you check and see. Kedua-dua nilai untuk luas, this one is positive, this one also is positive. All the area is positive. So, you no need modulus. Tak perlu simbol modulus. So, kamu buat pengambilan macam biasa, the normal integration. Okay guys, are you clear? Question B, can get it?
Can, sir.
Okay. So, pengambilan boleh score lah. Very easy in exam. Am I right? Kamu semua can
100%,
get
sir.
100%. Wow, so confident. Hopefully, everyone here got the same confident level lah. 100% can score. Okay. So, for question differentiation actually depend. Sometimes question can keluar kebat. So, you must make sure your kebat part also can answer. This one is not considered kebat guys. Soalan yang saya tunjukkan kamu sekarang bukan kebat Ini adalah soalan biasa. We teachers aura can. What aura I have? What is the aura you're mentioning? You mean the AdMax aura? Oh, A plus aura. Okay. I also don't know. I prefer all chapter over Trigo. Normal lah. Everyone don't like Trigo, what? It's the hardest chapter. Okay. Anyone else here feel the aura? Siapa boleh rasa aura through the screen?
So I can feel it through my veins, sir.
How? I don't know. I just teach like normal only. What? Why you like so distinct? Guys, you overreacting, right? Dah terlebih-lebih ni, I think. Too much already. But never mind. I take it as a compliment. You got unspeakable aura. Aiyo. How you all see it? Based on what? What is the aura you all seeing? Even my new ones feel it. I also don't
Based on
understand.
your mathematics skills, sir.
Everyone also got the same skill, what? Why is it so special like me? Every teacher also got the same skill, what? Mathematics aura. Any maths teacher also have what? So yeah. Okay. So soalan C. Later we chat more on the aura. I get to understand what you mean by aura. Okay.
Sure, sir.
Okay, question C. Your shaded region. How are you going? Wow. Now you give me title Mr. Aura also. Okay. So for question C, how to get shaded region? Can you all tell me what is the concept? So
So same, find the area of triangle and then minus with the area under curve.
Wait, you must take curve minus line. Okay, because if you see here, right, curve minus the line, then you get shaded region. Can you all see, guys? So this one opposite. You take the curve, area under curve, luas bawah lengkung, minus luas bawah garis lurus, area under straight line. So guys, if you see carefully, right, the straight line, if you draw, right, can you see that this is a triangle? Ini adalah segitiga. So means that you can use the formula for triangle. You no need to use integration. Kamu boleh guna formula yang ni untuk cari luas yang ni to find the area under triangle. Can you all get it? So tak perlu susah hati lah. You skip one step much faster. But you must know this value and you must know this value. Kamu kena tahu dua-dua nilai ni dulu. So how to know? Simultaneous equation. Okay, kamu kena selesaikan persamaan serentak. Again. Okay, so kamu dah ada persamaan. You have the equation. So direct solve lah as usual. Okay guys. So question 2C, this will be the answer. This one. Okay. So when you solve simultaneous, this is the two answer you will get. 0 and also -10. Okay, don't do careless mistake guys. Sangat sayang. Kalau kamu buat careless mistake here, the down step, no need to see already. Confirm wrong. Kamu takkan dapat jawapan. So make sure you careful in this step. Step ni lah yang paling penting. Persamaan serentak. Untuk dapat had yang betul. If this one wrong, your limit will be wrong already. Okay? Can you see guys? We are using the limit from the answer here. Okay? So it's related. Dia berhubung kait. Okay guys? So direct solve as usual. Okay, then you will get the answer 100/3 unit kuasa 2. Understand guys? Can you all get it? Simple, right? Who said
Yes, sir.
guys? Pengamilan susah ke? Tak susah kan? So easy. That's why I also don't understand. People say integration so hard. You must understand the concept. That's why I say, like how to know which area positive, which area negative. That is the most important part. Even kebat pun, you can answer. Okay? Because concept. If concept there, anything also can. If you check and see guys, like this question, you are using the y-axis limit. Am I right? Kita guna had di atas aksi y. So guys, check your x value and see. Can you see it's positive? So area is positive lah. Kamu akan dapat luas positif. Check back your answer. If you see your answer right, tengok guys, jawapan kamu, adakah kamu dapat negatif? Tak ada. So, konsep saya betul lah, is the correct concept. Because you direct get positive answer without use the modulus. Tak perlu guna simbol ni. Understand guys? This is the concept. Very important. Okay, you must get it. Okay? So, yeah. Okay, so for the third question, do you all have problem? Soalan 3. Do you want me discuss? This one no diagram guys. So kamu kena lukis. Then only you can understand. So question 3. Do you all want me discuss? Wait Okay, sure. Wow, school also got online class at 9 o'clock. Wow. Okay. So 3A. Any question guys? You want me to discuss? Soalan 3A and 3B. Anything? Discuss, Which one? Both also. 3A. Okay, kita bincang 3A. Wait, Okay. So, this one, you have to draw out. Okay, kena lukis. Baru kamu akan faham. If you don't draw, right, you cannot understand this question. Okay, so for 3A, right, how to draw? Can you all tell me these two curves? How am I going to draw it? Anyone know? Macam mana saya boleh lakar dua-dua lengkung ni? 3A and B. Okay. Set face. Okay. You got the point. But guys, this graph, right? Is this quadratic? The first one here? Yes. Of course will intersect. But you must draw out the basic shape first. Yes. Okay, this one is cubic graph, guys. Because x power 3. This one is quadratic. X power 2. So cubic graph, you all never learn, right? Kamu tak belajar kan macam mana konsep dia semua. So, kamu kena guna jadual nilai. You have to draw a table of values. So what value? Tengok kat sini guys. They already give you all the coordinates. So you can actually direct plot. These are all the intersection points. Mereka dah bagi tahu titik persilangan kamu. Okay? So your graph will look something like this. This one over here. Can you see guys? This is our graph at this point. You must draw out. If you don't draw, kamu takkan faham. Okay, where is your shaded region and all of that. Okay, kamu kena tahu dulu mana kawasan berlorek. Okay guys, are you clear? So this is the diagram you will get. So now you must find the shaded region, kawasan berlorek. So means that you find this one plus this one. Okay, is the area between the curves, di antara kedua-dua lengkung luas dia. Alright, so okay, so for this right, kita kami terhadap paksi X atau paksi Y? Which one? Cuba bagi tahu saya. Do we integrate towards the x-axis or y-axis? Yes. Okay, both of it. Yes, correct. Okay, guys. So now we check and see. Yeah. First region, if you check and see, 0, -1. Can you see, guys? X-axis, limit negative. But if you check y-axis, everything here is positive. Am I right, guys? Semua nilai adalah positif. So means that our area is positive. Luas adalah positif. Understand? This is the concept behind it. Okay? But if you see carefully, right? Can you see you have a smaller region, guys, at the bottom here? Kamu ada satu kawasan kecil kat bawah kat sini. So you must consider the area for that one also. Kamu kena ambil kira. So guys, check and see. Nilai Y kamu. Nilai Y is negative. Am I right? Kamu ada luas negative over here. So guys, one positive, one negative. So mana kamu akan letak modulus? Where will you put the modulus symbol? In this area. Am I right? Yeah. So this is how you check and see which one is positive and which one is negative. Okay. And then you can check this one also. Okay. So x-axis, y value, negative. So we will get negative area. Okay. So how to get the area? Kita ambil luas bawah lengkung pertama minus luas bawah lengkung yang kedua. Can you all see it, guys? Both of the value is negative, you know. So you must add modulus sign. Okay, modulus sign important. Then you will get the answer. Okay, guys? Can get it? So, yeah. Okay, so can you see, guys? All the modulus symbol over here. So that is the importance of modulus. Because modulus will help to change the positive, the negative area to positive. Luas negative kepada positive. Understand? Can comment a bit?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Only this one got no modulus because is this area. This one over here, the positive. The other three area are all negative. Negative. This big triangle is negative. And then this small area here also negative. So that's why you see, right? Your Jalan Kira has three modular symbols. Can you see? So this is the reason behind it. Understand? Everyone here? So make sure if area negative, straight away add the modulus. Don't think two times. Direct add. Alright? Clear? Huh? So this is for question 3A. So you integrate as normal, then you will get the answer. 5/3 unit square. Okay, make sure press calculator carefully, yeah, guys. It's a very long equation. Persamaan yang sangat panjang. So kena hati-hati. Okay. So can we go on? Question 3B. Do you all need discussion? Soalan 3B. This one. Do you all need to discuss? Yes, sir. Okay. Go on. Okay, so we don't discuss lah. 3B is actually the same thing. Okay, benda yang sama. So if you understand 3A, 3B should be no problem. Okay, it's the easier type of graph. Okay, so now we come to the volume. Okay, let me see.
So what time did you start the class?
Wait, okay, we will discuss the volume question now. Okay, so guys, check and see this question. They ask you to find the volume. Okay, isi padu, 360 degrees, if not mistaken. Okay, yes. Okay, guys. So what is the formula to find volume? Can anyone tell me? Apa formula rumus dia untuk cari isi padu?
Pi limit x squared dx.
Y squared dx. Okay, so this is the formula. Okay, untuk cari isi padu. Remember, guys, the formula you must know how to use it. Okay, so you have your limits, equation. Okay, make sure equation must square kena kuasa 2 persamaan kamu. So means that 2x square plus 3, you square the whole thing. Then only you integrate. Kamu kena kuasa dulu, baru kamikan. Okay, you square first, then you integrate it. Okay, guys, understand? So you'll be able to find the volume buddy. Any problem in this type of question? Volume question?
No problem, sir.
Okay. So this is how you will do the Jalan Kira. Okay, so you will get something like this. Okay, so final answer, make sure you have this unit. Unit very important. You must write pi, unit, cube. Every single question for volume is like this. It never change. Okay, and then make sure you show this step also. Kena tunjuk langkah yang ni. Because substitution always got 1 mark. Bila kamu gantikan had, ada 1 markah. So you must show also. Okay? So don't be like so long to write, so I lazy a bit. Cannot, although how long it is, you must still substitute every single limit. Okay, because got 1 mark. Okay, so any question? So this is the basic type of question. Okay, so now, just now was x-axis. Am I right? Paxi x. But we can also integrate towards y-axis, Paxi y. So you can see over here, lah. If you integrate towards Paxi y, you will get this kind of shape. Okay, basically, if you want to understand, it's a reflection, pantolan, di atas Paxi y. Can you see, guys? You reflect this, you get this one. Okay, it's completely a reflection on the y-axis. So you can count the volume. Okay, kira isi padu. Okay, so the formula is like this, just the opposite. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so you can see this question over here. We want to find the volume under this curve. Okay, okay lah. So we can only do towards y-axis. Kita buat terhadap aksi y. Okay, so can I direct integrate this equation, guys? Boleh tak saya kamikan ni secara terus? Yes or no? Answer me if you understand the volume concept. Can I direct?
No, sir. Must change the x-axis subject.
Yes, you must change the subject. Okay, because our formula is integrate x dy. So we must substitute the x equation. Gantikan persamaan x. So x is equal to 6 over y. Can we direct integrate these guys? Yes or no?
No, sir. Must square.
Okay, very good. Okay, why I ask this question? Because a lot of you will forget. Because during the exam, it's like very hectic. Am I right? Very rush. So between area and volume, right, is a very small difference. The difference is just the square. Okay, so make sure you read the question carefully. Do they want area? Nah, luas atau isi padu? Because got a square. Okay, so yeah, so you will get 36 over y square. Then you integrate this one. Kamikan yang ni. Then substitute the limits 4 and 1. Then you will get the answer. Understand, guys? So this is your final answer. Okay, this integration very easy. So you can do it easily. Okay, are you all clear here? All the 18 of you can still feel the aura or not? Aura still there, right?
Yes, sir.
Of course, Mr. Aura. You all keep on aura. Okay. Um. Okay. One thing I wanted to ask about this one, right? Let's say you forget to square the equation for the volume, right? Can we integrate this, guys? If you think logically, boleh tak kita kamekan yang ni? Let's say you forget to square lah. They ask you volume, so you direct do like this. Can we get answer, guys? Boleh tak kita dapat jawapan? No. Okay, you never learn this kind of integration. When the power is y kuasa negative 1, kita tak boleh kamekan yang ni. We cannot integrate this kind of equation. In your syllabus, but actually can. Okay, boleh dikamekan, but not in the syllabus. Okay, so no need to learn. Okay, tak perlu tahu. So if you accidentally make a mistake, right, you should suspect a bit. Can I integrate this equation? Definitely cannot. So means that somewhere I make mistake a bit. Because KSSM takkan sengaja suruh kamu kamekan yang ni. Definitely they will give something within the syllabus. Okay, so you must be smart lah. If you see this kind of working, means something wrong somewhere. Okay, so yeah, understand? So next one, let me see. Okay, this one is more on aplikasi. This is the type of exam question. They will have two parts. They ask you to find coordinate A and then find the volume. Okay, so for coordinate A, guys, how do we get it?
Simultaneous, sir.
Yes. Okay, we use the simultaneous equation. Okay, this one very simple. You can just equalize both. This one equal to this one. Solve for x. Then cari nilai y. Okay, make sure, guys, if they ask you coordinate A, right, your answer must be x, y. Don't just stop at, let's say, x equal to 4. Jangan henti kat sini. Salah. Okay, you must find out y equal to what. Because coordinate means in a pair. Dalam pasangan x and y. X is not alone and y is not alone. It must be together. Okay, kena satu pasangan. Alright. So yeah. So then you will get the answer. Then for volume, if you see, right, volume you integrate towards x-axis. Kami terhadap paksi x. Okay, so you take volume underline minus volume under curve. Okay, isi padu bawah garis tolak isi padu bawah lengkung. Then you will get the answer. Okay, one question here. Can volume be negative, guys? Yes or no? Like just now, area, we got certain region negative, certain region positive, right? For volume, do we have a negative region? Yes or no? Everyone here? Adakah kita ada kawasan negatif? Okay.
No, sir.
Okay. So volume, no need to memorize anything. It's always positive. No matter where is your region. Anywhere also, still positive. Okay, maybe some of you will ask, why is it positive? Does anyone have this kind of question? Mengapa isi padu selalu positif? Anyone have this kind of question in their mind? Because you think like area got certain region negative. Am I right? But then why volume, everything positive? Very simple, guys. You see the formula. Guys, x square. X square. This term, right? Sebutan ni, dia akan selalu positif. Am I right? Because if you take a negative number square, it will become positive. You take a positive number square, you still get positive. Can you all see it, guys? So no matter what is your value, since there is a square, right? Dia ada kuasa 2. So 100% your answer will be positive. No matter what is your equation. Tak kira apa-apa persamaan. Can you understand now? Makes sense, right? Why volume is always positive. You see area, guys. Area, your equation is this. Am I right? X dy, luas. X is only power 1. So if x is negative, automatically area is negative. Can you all see? This is the special part. Why volume is positive, area can be negative. Okay? So understand, don't memorize. That's the tip for me. If you want to like and maths, understand it. Don't memorize it. Okay?
So how about biology?
Very hard. That one must memorize. Forced to. Because that one hard to understand. Maths is something you can conceptualize, but bio very hard. It is like you have to accept the fact, like sejarah. Am I right? You cannot like combat the statement and say like, cannot be like this. It must be this way. But maths can. You can combat a statement and tell that maybe it can be solved in this way because maths got many ways to solve. Am I right? It's not only one way you can solve a question. You can think from different angles. So that is a specialty lah on maths. Okay. So yeah. Okay. So you will get the final answer. Okay. So you see here, the volume is always positive. Isi padu selalu positive. So why minus? Because over here is we take the line minus curve. Then you get this region. Understand, guys? Are you all clear? Everyone so simply,
Very,
yeah.
very clear, sir.
Aura still got still very, very good aura.
Yes, sir.
Guys, if you feel like my aura very good, right? Maybe you have to tag me on IG lah. If you feel like my aura so good, it can help you understand I much better. Am I right? So I don't know. Maybe you can spread the aura to more people. Wow,
I
in
don't
the end,
have much followers in Insta, sir. I only got 20 of them, something.
you don't need have followers. As long you post enough, maybe it's good to like share the aura. Am I right? So yeah. Maybe anyone here feel like the lesson help you, you can share around also lah. Maybe on IG story or anything also. You just tag me lah. My name you can find. Very simple.
So, which school you teaching now?
I'm not in school lah. Online only. Online class. I shared to my friends, they watch the recording. Oh, okay, good lah. At least it helps them also. Okay, guys.
So when did
So
you
we
finish SPM?
2 years back. Hey, wait. Hey, last year only lah. Not 2 years back. But going to be 2 years.
Okay,
So yeah.
What was your results?
You can ask the last year. How is my result? They all know. That one person say already. Okay. So now let me see the time. Okay, still got 15 minutes. Let me think and see. Okay, this one we discuss next week. We discuss the application question. You all want, right? Aplikasi. Okay, the difficult question on pengamaran. Okay, guys, this is the favorite exam question. Have you all seen, guys? They'll give you a bowl like this, ask you find volume. Very famous, right? Yeah. So you must know this one lah. Okay, very important question. Okay, sangat penting. So that you can score the mark. Okay, because some people, right, when they see this kind of question, right, it is like very susah because like they never imagine. Okay, but you must imagine this is a curve. Ini adalah lengkung. Am I right? So you can find the volume. It's just normal integrated. Okay, but first of all, you don't have the equation. Kamu tak ada persamaan. Okay, so means that you must try to find out the equation. So guys, how am I going to get the A value? Anyone can tell me? Macam mana cari nilai A? Okay, they ask you to show A is this value. So what is the concept? Anyone? How do I do it? Think and see, guys. Cuba fikir. Very famous question. You must know how to do. No second chance one. Because the question is like that. It come out in many trial already. You can see. So anyone? What is the step you take? You must find A. Y equal to AX squared. You want to get this. So you must have your Y. You must have your X squared. Correct? So where to get it? Anyone? If don't know, you can say don't know. Kalau tak tahu, you can say tak tahu. I can explain. Okay. Very simple, guys. But you must have one concept in your mind. Okay, guys. Think, don't look here, don't look at the question. Think generally. Integration question, you will always have a graph, correct? You will have a y-axis and x-axis. Am I right, guys? General integration question. You should have something like this, correct? So you're going to apply this concept inside this diagram now. Means that you must have an x-axis and a y-axis. But where is it? You must find out yourself. Okay, that is the challenge. Okay, guys. See carefully, yeah? Okay. You all tell me, is it correct to place my axis here? Yes or no? Is my axis position correct? X, Y, like this? What do you all think? Okay, it's not correct. Okay, so we have to change. This position not correct. So you try and see again. Can I place it like this? Correct or not? No. Okay, remember how to place the axis. If you place at the corner, yes. Okay, you go up some more. You place it at the most top hand corner. So that is easier. Okay, actually you can place it at two areas. You can place it here or you can place it here. Both also can. Kedua-dua pun betul. Okay, so guys, based on the axis, right? Okay, let's say I put it here. Okay, the current axis is somewhere here. So now, can you all tell me one coordinate you can find from this axis? Anyone? Apa satu coordinate yang kamu boleh dapat? High level lah guys. Think carefully. What is one coordinate from this diagram? Come on guys. Cannot. Cannot. Guys, hold on. Calm down. Guys, you see your equation. If y is 0, x is 0, a will be 0 lah. But guys, question asks you to show a equal to 1/18. Dia suruh buktikan yang ni. So kosong tak boleh. A is totally wrong. 12 pun tak boleh. Because 12 won't give you 1/18. Okay? So what can you all think now? What other point that we have? Apa lagi coordinate kita ada? Try and see guys. Any one of you. Don't be scared. Just share only. 12-2. Okay. See carefully, yeah. 12-2 guys. Is my point on the curve? See carefully guys. 12 -2. Titik ni bukan di atas lengkung. Am I right? Our curve is here guys. Lengkung kita kat sini sekarang. Your point is over here. Can I start a point that is not on the curve? Cannot. If 12 0, right, you check and see. 0 equal to a 12 square. Your a is still 0. Okay lah. Finally, correct. That is the point, guys. 6 -2 is the answer. Anyone of you don't know how she get the answer? Okay. I think a lot of you don't know. So you see carefully. Guys, what is this point? Can you all tell me? Apa nama titik ni? In a basic quadratic curve, the lowest point is called what? Yes, minimum point. So guys, what is the coordinate of this point? Can you all see? Same. Negative, positive doesn't matter. You will still get same. Okay, so the coordinate will be 6, 2. Am I right? Because both sides are equal. Okay, you will divide equally. 6 on the left, 6 on the right. Because it is the axis of symmetry. Axis symmetry means we cut the 12 cm into half. So 12 divided to 6. So that's why you get 6. Okay, and then 2 cm is the y-axis value. Okay, so now you try and see guys. 2 equals to a 6 square. Do I get 1/18? Yes. Okay, you will get 1/18. If people ask me, if I put negative, right? Guys, if you use negative, right? Your a value, you will get negative 1/18, which is wrong. Why wrong? Kenapa a negative salah? because you have this kind of curve. If smiley curve, A is greater than 0. So A must be positive value, cannot be negative. Understand? Everyone can understand? So this is how you show it. Very famous question, guys. Suka Tanya. So make sure you know how to do it. This is the concept. However, they change the question, doesn't matter. Apply this concept. Okay? So you will get 1 over 18. So this is your equation currently. All right? So now you just need to find the value of the volume. Which volume? This one. This whole volume. You want to find it. So we use integration. Okay, pengamelan. So over here, if you see carefully, right, we cannot integrate towards the x-axis. Kita tak boleh kami terhadap fluksi x. Okay, we need to integrate towards the y. Okay, towards the y-axis. Okay, because x-axis, right, if you integrate towards x-axis, you have to reflect. Am I right? You will get something like this if you integrate towards the x-axis. Because volume, you must understand, it is a rotation. Okay, putaran. So you will reflect on top. So basically, this method you cannot use. Okay, we cannot integrate this way. We need to integrate towards the y-axis, which is this value. That's why you notice, right? We have this coordinate. Am I right? We have the 6 negative 2. So we have to use back that coordinate. Kena guna balik coordinate asal. Then you will get the answer. Okay, can you see it, guys? So this is the concept. We integrate towards the y-axis from 0 until 2. Okay, negative no need because the axis is not real. Okay, paksi kita, now we are imagining, kita bayangkan, but actually it's not the real case. So you don't need to consider negative sign. You just use the value only, which is 0 to 2. Understand? Everyone here? So the answer is 36 pi, yeah? Nothing else. Okay? Everyone clear? Can get it? Clear, huh? Okay, very good. Okay, let me check and see. I think got one more only, if not mistaken. Tough lah. Which part tough? Guys, trust me, if you do this kind of question, right, you get the concept one time, right, you apply it to the same type of question. You do similar question like this, definitely you will get the concept already. Because now the concept I explained to you already. So you apply it in different type of question. Similar like this, but they change the value, they change the equation. So you still can apply it. Okay? So yeah. Okay. So we check and see this question. Okay, this I think is the last one on the application. Application part very short. You must just know how to solve question only. Okay. So this is the last one. Okay. So we got this equation. All right. So the question is find the number of bacteria after 5 seconds. Okay. So think and see, guys. T is time. T adalah masa. A is the area, luas. So what must we do here? What do you all think? Try to think and see. What should I do here? I want to find the number of bacteria. Yes. Here we must integrate. Why integrate? You check here, guys. 1 cm square is 1 million cells. So we want to find how many cells. So how to know how many cells? We must know how much is the area or how big is the area. Berapa besar luas. So how to know what is the area value? We have to use this equation. Integrate. Because when you integrate dA dt, you will get A. Am I right? And you also have the limit, time limit. This is your limit, 5 seconds. Means you integrate from 0 until 5. Do you all get it, guys? This is the concept here, the Kameran. Okay, so you will get something like this. Okay, so you just need to integrate this equation. You will get 50 cm square. Then you multiply with the number of cells, bilangan cells. So finally you got 5 times 10 power 7 cell. Easy, right, guys? Difficult, guys? Application question. This one only. That's all. You solve the question already. Okay, you do more question, then you will understand better, I think. Okay, guys? Are you all clear for this one? Okay, so I think the remaining ones we will do next week, if not mistaken, yeah. Because next week we will recap the whole chapter 3 to question. Next week is totally on question only. No more concept a day. Okay, guys? Do you all understand today's lesson? Crystal clear? Super clear. Not bad. Still got aura lah. The aura still got in my teaching. Okay. I'll rewatch last week recording. Okay, good. Okay. Sure. Hopefully I still have the aura for next week also. Wait. This one. Over here. You can check over here. Okay? Okay. Any other question you all have? You can stay back if you got some question. None. Wow, so clear. I guess my aura today very good. I guess. So the teaching also like okay lah. Always good.